Blessings and thank you for tuning in once again. We're on the road towards monetization. We're checking in once again this week to see what the numbers look like. We're going to see where we are with the stats. I don't know, should we check it this week or should we just wait until next week to check it? I'm kind of feeling a little do it or don't do it vibe right now. Well, guess what? We're going to do it. We're going to dive into the numbers and see where we are this week. So here's the analytics for the last 28 days. I know we're checking weekly, but the 28 days forecast is looking good on the channel. I'm really loving how we're looking on our 28 days forecast. All the arrows are pointing up, so that means we're doing good, right? As you can see, 41 subscribers within the last 28 days, and our watch hours 158.7, our views 20k, over 20k views within the last 28 days. The chart down here is a little on the low side. We had a peak right here in August, but the views are just trickling really slow on the graph, the chart right here. Let's check in on the 7-day forecast. That's what we are here for each week, just to see how we're doing in the last 7 days. So our views are down 5% less than the last 7 days. The watch hours, that's up. Watch time hours, that's up. Like it, 66% more than the last 7 days. And our subscribers went up, it said 50% more than previous 7 days. We gained 3 new subscribers within 7 days. That's awesome. I don't care what nobody say. That's awesome. So we have 43 views in the last 48 hours. That's our top videos right there. And as you can see, more videos down here. Earlier this week I was over in the earnings section, so that's something you can check if you're new to YouTube, or if you're on the road to monetization. You can check the earnings section to see where you are as far as qualifying for monetization. Over here you can see it's the eligibility right here. There's 2 sections in here. One section you need 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, and that's something else. That ain't YouTube paying you, so you gotta come down here to start getting money from YouTube. You gotta be at 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10,000 shorts. So that's something we wanted to show today, something different. We didn't jump into this on our last videos, but guys, the channel is doing great. I want to thank you guys for tuning in once again. We want to thank you for subscribing to the channel. If you're subscribed to the channel, I want to thank you for your support. And if you're watching our videos and you're not subscribed, this is the time to subscribe. We're going to keep on doing more videos, and just leave stuff in the comment. Let us know what you guys would like to see. Just want to say thank you. Road to monetization, it's coming. I feel it. Have a blessed one.